Hello guys, this is Udaya. Today I'm going to speak about types of sharks. This video will have 3 parts. So this is the first part. So before we start with the video, I have a small note. Sharks have signal sensors above their mouth which will help them to sense any movements or signals around them so it can attack its prey. So now let's get started. The first shark is Bahama shark. So this shark belongs to the family Pristophoridae. This species live in the Atlantic Ocean. It's also known as the American saw shark. Basking shark. It is the second largest fish in existence. The first largest is the whale shark. So its diet only consists of plankton. These sharks can live in cold as well as warm temperature waters. The mouth of a basking shark is very recognizable. Their mouths are tremendously large. They can be well over 3 feet, 1 meter in width. Beagle-eyed six-gilled shark. This shark is one of 2 living six-gilled shark species. These large fish belong to the cow shark family. They are wide-ranging and important apex predators, meaning that they are right at the top of the food chain in the coastal and deep-water ecosystems. Black-tip reef shark. These are small but lightning fast. This is the smallest of all reef species. It is almost 1.5 to 1.9 meters. It weighs about 20 to 25 kilograms. It loves the warm and shallow waters near the sandy beaches and coral reefs. It gets its name from the pointed snout and black tips from its fins. These are the most beautiful sharks in the ocean and are seen often by divers since this species prefers shallow waters. Blue shark. This blue shark is one of the most beautiful of all sharks. Unfortunately, it is also the most overfished sharks in the world. They are easy to identify because of their special slim, torpedo-shaped figures. Their swimming is very elegant and they are known to be excellent swimmers. They reach up to 4 meters in length and weigh up to 205 kilograms. Blue-grey carpet shark. Australia's northeastern coast is home to this small and uncommon bottom dweller. So it is a prime example of the ordinary poorly known species that are easily forgotten when it comes to shark conservation. Blunt-nosed six-gilled shark. These sharks are primitive sharks belonging to the Hexindian family, which are the cow sharks. These deep-water predators are distinguished by the following features. They have 6 pairs of long gill slits on each side of their broad head, comb-like yellow lower teeth, and a long tail. The blunt nose is the larger of the 2 six-gilled shark species. Indeed, it is one of the most largest shark. It ranges widely in boreal temperature and tropical seas. Its appearance is similar to fossil shark forms that date back roughly to 200 million years to the Triassic period. Broad-nosed seven-gilled shark. The broad-nosed seven-gilled shark is the only common coastal member of the cow shark family. These sharks prefer deep water. Bronze whaler sharks. These bronze whaler sharks have nicknames such as narrow-toothed shark, bronze, copper shark, and bronze. These bronze whaler sharks inhabit subtropical water and they feed on smaller sharks, rays, and bony fish. Unfortunately, bronze sharks are prime targets for both commercial and sports fishermen. Bull sharks. They're everywhere you wouldn't expect them to be. It has a stocky figure and a broad, flat snout. This is one of the 43 shark species that can live in both seawater and freshwater. This shark is known of 3 sharks most likely to attack humans. Burmese bamboo sharks. This shark is a rare fish that lives in the tropical waters of Burma. In size, this species is a small shark. It measures about 47.5 centimeters long. Distinctive snout. The pectoral and pelvic fins are thin and not very muscular. These species has no distinct color pattern. Caribbean reef shark. at most 3 meters in length and 50 to 70 kilograms. This shark species is very similar to the gray reef shark, which is found in the Indo-Pacific. Caribbean rough shark is a small, rare shark that stays close to the ocean bottom in the Gulf of Mexico and the Caribbean Sea. Cookie cutter shark. It belongs to the sleeper shark family. This group in turn belongs to the order Squaliformes, the dogfish sharks. Physically, it looks like a typical dogfish with a long, thin body, short cone-shaped snout, and no anal fin. The skin is grayish-brown with a darker brown area around the throat and gills, and a lighter belly. The cookie cutter shark is named after the cookie-shaped wounds that it leaves on the bodies of its prey. This small fish is also known as the cigar shark because of its body shape. It lives in deep waters of warmer areas worldwide. Adult males can grow up 42 cm long and females grow a little larger, 5 to 6 cm in total length. Copper shark. Copper shark is a coastal species that can grow up to 3.5 meters. These sharks are usually found in warm seas. It is also known by many other common names including narrow-toothed shark, brown shark, cocktail shark, bronze whaler, and New Zealand whaler. It is easily confused with other requiem sharks, including members of the same genus such as the blacktip shark and the spinner shark. Crested bullhead. The crested bullhead is a small, not too common bottom-dwelling species that lives off the eastern coast of Australia. The other names of this creature include crested horned shark and crested Port Jackson shark. Its base skin color is light tawny brown with broad bands across the head, back, and tail. Frilled shark. This shark closely resembles an eel, however, because of its 6 gill slits. It is actual cousins with the great white shark and hammerhead shark. The frilled shark has nicknames such as Loch Ness Monster, Sea Serpent, and Living Fossil. This shark can be found in the waters of Australia, the Caribbean, Chile, West Africa, New Zealand, and Southeast Asia. Galapagos bullhead shark. It belongs to a family of small sharks that dates back to the Jurassic period. It can grow up to 1.07 meters long. A large head snubs out, and dark spotting on its grayish-brown skin gives the fish the look of a bizarre, skinny cross between a leopard and a pig. Relatively large pectoral fins add to its distinctive looks and enable the shark to crawl along the ocean floor. Goblin shark. The goblin shark can be found in the waters of Western Indian Ocean, the Western and Eastern Atlantic Ocean, and the Western Pacific Ocean. These sharks dwell at the bottom of the ocean as low as 3,940 feet. For this reason, goblin sharks are rarely seen. Unfortunately, very little is known about these mysterious sharks. Gray reef sharks. This shark is a beautiful medium-sized shark which can be distinguished from other sharks by the plain white-tipped dorsal fin and the dark tips on all other fins. The gray reef typically grows no larger than 2.5 meters and 35 kilograms in weight. These species can live up to 25 years of age. This shark has a keen sense of smell. Great hammerhead shark. These are the most famous sharks around. These sharks have flat teeth-shaped heads that make them stand out from the other sharks. Great white sharks. These are the most feared sharks. These marvelous creatures grow up to 10 inches, which is 25 centimeters, annually until they are fully grown. At the adult stage of their lives, their lengths can range from 12 to 14 feet. Although many picture great whites constantly feeding on helpless victims, they can actually go 3 months without eating. So this is it for today. I guess you enjoyed this part, so stay tuned for the next part. Bye. Have a good day.